Are you sick and tired of using Google for research and ending up with 50 tabs open, 3 Wikipedia rabbit holes, and a mild existential crisis? Yeah, we've all been there. Meet Perplexity AI, an AI-powered search engine that combines the capabilities of traditional search engines and AI chatbots. It's like Google and ChatGPT got married and had a genius baby that does your homework for you. In this video, let's explore Perplexity AI's powerful features and see how they can speed up your research process. Let's dive in. With the help of focus modes, you can narrow down your search to academic, writing, Wolfram Alpha, YouTube, or Reddit. Let's suppose you're interested in academic papers on renewable energy. By selecting the academic mode, you'll get precise and relevant scholarly articles. Attachments are another standout feature of Perplexity AI. Users can upload PDFs or images, and Perplexity AI will analyze them. For instance, you can upload a dense research paper on climate change, and it will summarize the key points, saving you from reading the entire document. In addition to its powerful attachment capabilities, Perplexity AI offers robust settings for data privacy. Users have control over their data, ensuring that uploads do not become part of Perplexity's training model. Furthermore, the platform allows users to switch between different AI models, such as GPT-4 or Claude, providing flexibility and customization to meet various research needs. One of the most impressive features is image analysis. Suppose you have a complex diagram from a scientific paper on nanotechnology. Upload the image, and Perplexity will break it down, explaining each component in simple terms. This is perfect for making sense of intricate schematics or data visualizations. It's like having your own personal diagram translator, because who really understands those squiggly lines? It's like trying to decode your cat's behavior. Good luck. If you have multiple graphs and charts, Perplexity can help you weave them into a coherent story. Imagine you're drafting a presentation on the effects of pollution on marine life. Upload your figures, and Perplexity will help you structure your talk logically, highlighting the key points and trends. Think of it as crafting a bedtime story for your boss, but way more interesting. Perplexity AI allows users to upload a research paper and summarize it, extracting the most important information. For example, if you're starting a PhD in environmental science, you can quickly grasp the core findings of lengthy articles, helping you stay on top of your field without the burnout. Think of it as your personal academic butler, serving up only the finest summaries. Additionally, Perplexity AI allows users to organize their research into collections by project or topic. To create a collection, click on the Collections button and select New Collection. For instance, you can create one called Climate Change Research. As you conduct searches related to this topic, you can save important queries and results to this collection by clicking the Save button next to each response. This feature allows you to build a curated repository of information on your research topic, making it easy to revisit and organize your findings. So, say goodbye to sifting through pesky Google search results one by one. With Perplexity AI, you'll get precise and relevant information at your fingertips, saving you time and effort. Give it a try and see how it can enhance your research experience. For more tips on using AI effectively, check out my video on humanizing AI content with a secret free tool that's surprisingly mind-blowing. See you there.